So in this video, I'm going to be testing Zcode, this new user interface for vibe coding. It's pretty much the same as Claude, but the difference is that it's going to be using GLM 5.2. And as of right now, if you use GLM 5.2, you get, if you use Zcode, you get like 150 extra quota. So I'm going to be testing it versus Claude Opus 4.8. Main difference is, if you can see right here, for Claude, you're paying $5 for 1 million tokens input and $25 for 1 million tokens output, as opposed to GLM 5.2, you're only paying like 72 cents input and $2.26 output, which is a crazy difference. So basically, I just want to test and see how far apart these two models really are, and if the trade-off of the result, it's worth it, that extra $23 per million tokens on output. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna be using Gemini to create some type of PRD. I have like this broad idea that I want to be doing. So let's get started. So I want to create a multi-platform for Windows, OS X, Linux, probably like a launcher kind of interface, but where the user will just press a hotkey and then it can choose from a list of activities or behaviors, and then just log it in. Let's say if he wants to start like a focus session with a Pomodoro timer, he just presses the hotkey, chooses from that drop down the Pomodoro, and it will automatically start. Let's start with just the Pomodoro for now, and then we can add more behaviors or more focus sessions into it. Give me an overview or a really rough PRD. I'm gonna send that. Okay, so it's recommending Tori, local SQLite. I'm not even gonna worry about this. I'm just gonna copy and paste it and give it to Zcode and Claude Code. So for Zcode, here we go. I'm still gonna be on the plan mode, so because I wanted to still plan on it, thinking. And same thing for Claude. Let's change this to plan and then give it the same prompt. Okay, so Zcode launch a sub agent to explore the directory. It's a brand new empty directory, so we're gonna see how that goes. And for Claude, I'm using Opus 5 in high, and for Zcode, I'm using GLM 5.2 in high thinking. Both of them are in planning mode. The only difference that I can see right now is that Zcode actually launched as sub-agent and it's working with sub-agents. That's pretty much the only difference that I can see as of right now. But it's still exploring, it's still verifying that we have all the dev dependencies and everything. Claude just started asking me questions, so let's go over this. So which front-end framework for the command bar UI? React, TypeScript recommended, Svelte 5. I guess I'll go with the recommendation. We'll go with the recommended. Windows first, other best effort. For this one, I want it to be Windows and macOS first. I want the command bar and the tray menu. And now Zcode is asking me the same questions. Now the difference, Claude was recommending React and TypeScript, and Zcode it's recommending Svelte and Vite. So I'll go with the recommended for each one of them. App name, track it, yes. Quick launcher, I'll do track it. That's the name of the folder. And here are the questions for Zcode. So here are the three questions that it asks. React, Svelte. So they're gonna work on it. So for now, I'm gonna pause the video here, or I'm gonna see you back when there's more progress. Is it just a quick update? It looks like Claude already came up with a plan. We're gonna be using React and TypeScript. We're gonna use Rust QLite or use SQLite. Windows and macOS first. They're gonna have a command bar and tray menu. So I'm gonna accept and go into auto mode and bypass permissions. I'm gonna let it work, let it cook, and then we'll see what happens. Zcode, I don't know what it's doing, to be honest. I'll come back when there's more progress on both. Okay, so Zcode finally did the plan. We're gonna be using Tori. So I'm gonna submit it just as it is. I'm gonna approve it and access so that it works as well on its own. And again, I'm just gonna pause the video here and then come back when there's progress from both of them. Cloud Pro, it's still cooking. It's been working for 10 minutes. Let's see usage. So I've used 6% of my 5-hour limit, and here I still have like a lot. I've only used 1%. Okay, so it's been like 15-20 minutes, and both of them seem to have finished. I'm checking out Claude Code right now. So let's see. I don't know if you can see it. Let me move this a little bit. Shortcut isn't working. It's supposed to be Alt+Shift+Space. Oh, actually it works. Alt+Shift+Space and then start Pomodoro timer. Alt+Shift+Space. And then you can see the timer is running. Okay, so that's Claude Code. It used 28% of the 5-hour quota and 3% of the weekly quota. So now let's see how Zcode did. And for Zcode, PM Tori dev. PM Tori dev. Switch to desktop. Okay. Compiling. It's building right now. Okay, it's supposed to be running right now. I see it here. Is it the same keybind? Yes, Alt+Shift+Space. Start Pomodoro timer. Okay, so we have a small issue here. So let's try to debug this. When starting the Pomodoro timer, there is a NAN message instead of the actual timer running. Let's cancel this one. Try again. And I've only used 2% for this. But I do like how you get the breakdown. As you can see, like messages, system tools, skills, MCP tools, the system prompt is only like 0.6%. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Instead of how Claude Code just shows you your 5-hour limit and that's it. Like it doesn't give you. Oh, actually, I didn't know this. So the system prompt was 0.4% here, 0.6 MCP tools. I guess the only difference is that Claude Code doesn't give you as much quota as GLM 5.2. But yeah. Okay, let's see. Alt+Shift+Space. Okay, let me run it again. And honestly, if that was the only issue, so far as I can tell, for what you're paying for Z.AI compared to Claude Code, I think this is pretty good. Okay, it's running. Is it running or is it not running? There you go. Start Pomodoro. Okay, now it's working. I do like Claude's version better, only because can I run both of them? No, I cannot run both of them at the same time. Let me stop this one and let me run this one again. I do like the interface of Claude Code, but I do notice that both of them have that like shadow overlay in the back, but it's squared. It doesn't look as good as I was hoping for. As you can see, there's like that hard edge. And these are little things that you can just prompt again and get it fixed. Also, what I'm noticing is it's crashing by itself. But yeah, so far, I think honestly, Z.AI did a pretty good job with Zcode. The little bug, it took like 1 minute and 43 seconds to fix it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stick to GLM 5.2 for a while. I'm gonna keep building on this tool. I have like more ideas that I want to implement into it. Let me know if you want to see anything else. Let me know if you have any questions. And then thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.